Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm just gonna do an intro real quick. So basically what I'm doing is my polygel nails. So here they are, I already did them and I'm just doing the intro now to start off this video. If you want to come back for future videos, I post every single Monday, and basically, yeah, I'm just gonna do a voiceover for what I've already filmed. So I'll catch you in that right now. So before I catch you in that, I actually dyed my hair gray to clarify, and I meant to dye ash blonde, but it turned out gray, but that's okay because I like it now. So yeah, that's all. Alright, here I am in the voiceover. So basically right now I'm just using this Dremel and I'm taking off all my gel nail polish from before, and I'm just going in everywhere. I know this is like not very great for your nails, but neither is acetone, so I've decided to use this method more often, and I just have to be very careful not to actually get my nails. I tried to look on Amazon to see if I could find where I bought this, but I can't find the link, so I'm sorry guys. It's just like a $30 one from Amazon. Now I'm going in here with the file. This is like a really coarse grit, and I like to buff the top of my nails to the point where there's no nail oils left, but not like to the point where it's literally gone. And I also like to make them shaped. Now I'm going in with the nail molds, which I forget the other name for them, but basically they're just molds, and I'm trying to see which ones fit on which fingers. Next up here, I'm going in with Aquaphor. This is like the best hack I have. Basically, if you're sensitive to different types of things, such as like gel or alcohol, I put it all around my nails and it protects me and my skin. And now I use my base coat, but I already did that, so basically I just use a gel base coat. It doesn't matter which one you use, so that's why I'm not going to put it in the description box, but this I will put in the description box. This is the polygel and the slip solution that I'm using back and forth, and I'm just putting in a little bead of polygel and using the slip solution to flatten it and fill the entire mold up. And I don't put them on right away, but I like to do them all before I put them on. So I do my thumb first, and then I like to use a fake nail underneath to support the bottom without all of the gel squishing underneath and being all over my finger. I know I filmed bad right here, I'm so sorry, but basically I'm curing it twice and then once upside down, and I think these are 30-second cures in an LED light. Now that I've popped off all the nails, I'm just going over what I have left over with my file. I like to go around the cuticle area, and then I like to go around the sides to make them a little bit less wide because I'm already doing like coffin-ish type shape anyway. So I like to do that, and then I use the file to shorten them because it's a little bit faster than going in with the file, but it's also more efficient than using the clippers because clippers sometimes can snap the nails because of their curve. Now I'm going in with my file again to clean up all the edges and go around my nails exactly how I want them to be to make them smooth in the exact shape that I want them. And in my case, it's going to be almost coffin, but kind of squared at the same time. Since my nails are kind of skinny, coffin is like square looking. Now I'm going in with the base coat to put on all of my fingers for the base of the polish that I'm going to be using, and in this case the polish I'm going to be using is sparkly. I got this polish off of Wish, and the other two base and top coats that I'm going to be using are actually from OPI. So this Wish one is sold out and it's kind of just gone off the site, so I can't link it in the description, but the brush is just from a dollar store, anyone. I pretty much just use a flat brush because I like the application better than the ones that it comes with because I don't like those brushes. So now I'm just doing the top coat, and that pretty much finishes off this look. So here's the end result right here. Basically it's just sparkle nails that are clear, and I really love them. I know this video was kind of short, but it's all I had time to do, and these nails took me 4 hours, so it really did take up a big chunk of my time, and I hope you guys learned something in how to do polygel nails today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys will subscribe, like this video, and come back next week for more videos. Bye!